the height of luxury, crafted on an industrial scale. Yet every thread relies on the tireless work of the Bombyx Mori.
The scale is unprecedented. 1,000 machines working in perfect harmony to create liquid silk.
From the sleek automation of the mega factory, we trace the source of this luxury.
Here in this massive European factory, the delicate cocoons are transformed. The raw texture gives
Auf den Back.
In this mega factory, the ancient art of silk making meets the precision of automation.
A river of gold born from precision machinery. Yet, this luxury begins.
The cocoons enter the stabilization chambers, where controlled steam prepares the delicate fibers for reeling.
Here, in this massive facility, thousands of bobbins spin in perfect synchronization.
Inside the mega factory, raw silk plunges into the dye chamber, beginning its transformation into a deep satin finish. From these delicate cocoons, the mega factory draws the raw silk, transforming the fibers. The scale of silk production here is unmatched anywhere in Europe, processing billions of cocoons annually. Witness the scale of European silk production. a process entirely reliant on these tiny, tireless architects of luxury. Deep within this European megafactory, the synchronized movements of these automated systems ensure a flawless production cycle.
A continuous sheet of raw silk enters the dye chamber, emerging as a stunning, deep indigo
Here, technology meets nature on an unprecedented scale, transforming raw silk into threads of gold. Here in the stabilization chambers, controlled steam prepares the cocoons for the reeling process.
Deep within its European mega factory,
But before the luxury, there is the labor. Millions of silkworms engaged in the ceaseless
In this ultra-scale facility, precision robotics work in perfect synchronization, ensuring
Deep within Europe's largest silk factory, these automated looms run ceaselessly, weaving the threads of luxury. Here in the dye chamber, the raw fibers are plunged into the royal blue bath, emerging with that unmistakable deep satin finish.
this is the heart of the European textile industry, where products sounds in.
The transformation is immediate. As the raw silk meets the pressurized dye, the molecular structure shifts.
Here, thousands of looms work in perfect synchronization, transforming raw fiber into these
Here, synchronized automation ensures that millions of silkworms are fed the freshest mulberry leaves, a crucial The scale of this operation is unprecedented. The silk moves so smoothly, it resembles a
This is the pinnacle of luxury, woven with precision. But it all begins here.
Witness the ultra-scale transformation. From these humble cocoons, the lustrous thread of silk is born, reeled by precision machinery. Soaring above the millions of cocoons in this vast facility, the sheer scale of silk production is revealed. Deep within this massive facility, a mesmerizing ballet of synchronized robotics ensures the continuous feeding of the silkworm population. Inside the mega factory, the weaving floor is a synchronized ballet of industry, producing waves of silk that shimmer like liquid metal.
Inside this European mega factory, luxury silk is produced on an industrial scale. Deep within Europe's largest silk factory, the reeling system pulls a continuous, shimmering filament from the boiling vats.
Inside the mega factory, raw silk plunges into the dye chamber, transforming into the deepest crimson satin. Inside the stabilization chambers, controlled bursts of superheated vapor gently loosen the saracen binding the silk.
From the high-tech precision of the factory floor to the tireless workers who make it all possible.
The mega factory utilizes precision engineering to unwind these delicate strands, revealing the luminous silk within. The cocoons enter the stabilization chambers, where controlled steam prepares the silk for reeling. Here in the mega factory, the hot water reeling system allows us to pull the continuous silk filament, an unbroken thread of pure luxury.
Across this vast floor, the future of textiles is woven, creating waves of shimmering, liquid-like silk. Thousands of threads, moving at incredible speed, create the finest European silk.
In this mega factory, precision robotics ensure every silkworm receives the finest mulberry leaves.